When you are young, your siblings means the world to you. You fought, you laughed, you trade secrets, and you swore that the world will never break you apart. But life did. Suddenly, you have your new families, new routine, new priorities. And the person who is with you for half of your life is just a part of your Facebook group. In psychology, we call this emotional drift. An emotional distance when an adult found their new attachment. It's not that they stop loving, they stop caring, but they have their own world, like their family, their kids, their work, and their survival. In history, this is the good thing, because it also happened when an ancient tribe, their siblings decide to have their new hut, then they're going to have their new tribe. They have their own bloodline. It is not that they stop caring, but they prioritize their new tribe and their new bloodline. And this is a part of our evolution. Okay. In science, it is our nature that the ones we are with and nurture with will develop a strong bond. But it is also the reason why the bond fade away. In social studies, it says that when our parents pass away, it is the children who has the only memories of the childhood. Okay? The smell of your house, the laughter of your mother, the voice of your father. You are the only one who can remember this. So it is not that you are losing your siblings, but it is also losing a part of your childhood. So why don't you communicate with your siblings? Why don't you stop the ego and reconnect? Because the love does not fade away. It just need a reminder. So now listen to this. Siblings doesn't drift because they stop caring. It is because they drift for the reason they stop to get closer. So don't wait birthdays, funeral to reconnect. Forgive and don't forget to remember. Every Sunday, I walk 16,000 steps. So I start at 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm still here walking. Probably as of this moment, I'm at around 10,000. So 6,000 more. So while I'm walking, I'm going to share to you an idea. It's about siblings. I don't have my own, but I can relate. It is because I have been handling a lot of kids for nearly 15 years of my life as a sports consultant. Okay.